How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to create your online store using WordPress and WooCommerce. I'm going to guide you step by step on how to install a new theme, how to set up the payment gateway, and how to add products to your site. So this is very simple, same step. As you know, guys know, I'm very honest. I'll go step by step. There's no money to invest in this video. It's very simple. I'm going to be using the same blog that I created prior. I just hit the reset button and reset everything to factory. So if you don't have this website set up yet, you could see my first video. It will guide you on how to buy a domain name and how to create your first droplet to install WordPress. You could follow it in the description. And then if you don't know how to use your panel, you could also check my second video, which shows you how to use your WordPress dashboard and how to install a theme, how to install a plugin, and how to customize it. So in this case, I'm going to go with the basic detail, how to install a theme, how to set up your online store, and get ready to start receiving orders and selling your products. So in this case, I'm going to be using my old blog, which I bought in the last video. In this case, it's blogcrafty.com. So make sure you log into your panel. In this case, if you go see view my site, you can see the site is already set up on factory settings. So this is the site, how it looks in the front end. We're going to change the look, right? So very quick, very simple. So first of all, we're going to go to appearance. We're going to go to themes, right? We're going to add a new theme, and we're going to search for Blocksy, right? This is my favorite theme to do a website. Very simple to use. Just click install, right? And then click activate. It's going to tell you that you need a companion to be able to use it. Just click install Blocksy companion. There you go. So we already have Blocksy companion. It will automatically take you to this page where we can install some starter sites, right? So if you go over here where it says starter sites, right, you'll be able to see a couple more sites here. We're going to use an online store that's have Elementor enabled, right? So we're going to see what we can install here that has Elementor. So it has this nice, beautiful clothing store. And let me see what else. So there's two options to choose on my end, right? We have the beautiful plants. We have the collection clothing. And we have another one over here, right? So let's install this one right here, the modern shop, right? So you're going to click where it says import. Make sure to install the shout theme. Next, right? Make sure over here you choose Elementor. We always want to go with Elementor. This is very user friendly to use and the most easiest to use, to be honest. So let's click next. Make sure you guys mark all of them. You want to install Elementor, we want to install WooCommerce, and our contact form. Just click next. Make sure everything is set up here. Make sure this is a clean install. So if you have WordPress prior to that, make sure to do a factory reset. You can install any plugin. For example, WordPress reset plugin will reset your whole site factory setting without going through the whole process again. So make sure you have everything set up here. Just click install, and in a couple of seconds or minutes, we will have our new online store already set up. All we just gotta do is just edit it, add new products, add a payment gateway, and start receiving orders. So let's wait until that finish. Takes a couple of seconds. It's importing everything from the starter site. So this includes every picture, every single thing. So we're gonna have an exactly demo that we could edit ourselves and add our own pictures, our own stuff to it, right? It's very simple to do. There's a lot of places where you could set up your site and we'll start receiving orders. So as you can see over here, our site is going to start changing. It says page not found because it's still installing on the back end. So let's wait until it finishes. And final touches. And there you go, our site is completely installed. If we click view site, there you go, we have our new beautiful website, right? Already have everything set up right here. So look at that. You got our new website with our new products in it. If you click a product, it will take you to the page to check out and everything very nicely, right? Go to home page. If you go to product shop, you can see our shop very nicely set up with the product descriptions and everything very nicely. We have our beautiful footer down here. We customize every part of this theme, that's the reason why I love Blocksy. If you have over here the title on top, right, you have your logo and everything. We could customize all that, right? You have our nice about us page. We could edit it very nicely. We have our nice contact form. So very simple, right? Now if we go back to our dashboard, right, and we hit the refresh button, you can see a new thing is going to start appearing to the left menu, right? In this case, we have our new stuff, right? We have WooCommerce products, and we got marketing, coupons, and all that kind of stuff. In this case, if you go to WooCommerce, right, and we go to settings, here you could set up your store, right? You could add your address over here. Make sure you add all your address, all this information. This popped up right here that says WooCommerce database update required. You could click on update with database since some new products were added in, so that's why it's requiring an update. So just let it there, it will do it by itself, so no need to do nothing there. You can close this on top. Back to this. So make sure you choose your shipping location, your selling location, if you want to enable taxes, your currency, and all that kind of stuff. On products over here, you have the option to choose your page where you're going to display your products. In this case, if you go to shop here, right, this is the page that I have it set up, so you could choose your page right there, how big you want the images, your placeholder, your reviews if you want members to leave your review. Here's the inventory if you want to keep track of your inventory when you run out of stock and all that kind of stuff. Shipping, so here you could set up your shipping however you want. You could add a shipping zone, very simple to do. You could add a shipping zone, for example, the zone name, the zone region, and the pricing that you want to add for those type of items that you're shipping to those address. Payment here, this is the most important one, right? You want to add some payments. So as you can see here, we don't have some payments method that you actually need, right? So you have check payment, you have direct bank transfer, you have cash delivery. So in this case, we're missing like Stripes and we're missing like PayPal and stuff like that, right? I'm gonna go show you how to add a payment method in a couple. Let me keep showing you a couple more settings here. So you have account and privacy here. If you want to enable to have guest checkout without an account. If you want an account creation during checked out. Your privacy and policy, if you want associates to remove personal data. Here's the email. Right here you could customize your email, how the client will receive your email. For example, the reset password, the processing order. You could customize the color. You could also preview your email, right? You could preview how this is how it's gonna look, your email, what color and everything. So if you want to edit, for example, let's say we want to edit the new order, right? You click manage here. And you could edit it over here. You could add your order number and then add additional content to it. You could add plain text, HTML, and then you could click view theme and then you edit it there, right? Integration. This is if you want to add geolocation integration. It's free to do. You just gotta click to max mine over here, and you require to read this information over here. You go max mine geolocation, and it will give you a IP key, and then you could input that IP key to over here, and that basically will auto geolocate for taxes and stuff like that. Very cool feature. Advanced. Here you want to add a determine condition page, your account page, checkout page, orders, and stuff like that. So this over here, this area right here, I'm gonna go back to the shop right here. So if I go over here, in this case, not gonna show it to me because I'm the admin, but in the customer page will show you, like when the customer log in, will show them like their orders, their view order, their download, edit account, payment method. So if you don't want them to show, for example, I don't want them to show download, you could delete this over here and click save changes. and when they log into the dashboard, it's not gonna show them the download menu, right? Which is very cool feature. So this is how simply you set up your store to be able to start receiving orders. Now we need a payment method, right? So if we go over here to plugins, right? Click plugin, right? Click add new, and then you could add example. You could just write down PayPal, and it will show you tons of payment for PayPal. We got payment plugin for PayPal WooCommerce. We got different type of PayPal, Brazil, contact form. So in this case, we want to install the one that has the 5-star, and this one seems pretty cool. We click install, right? And then we also need Stripe payments, right? Because we're gonna accept payments on Stripe payments. In this case, all depends on your country. We're gonna use Stripe payment. Install now. Now let's go back to plugins over here. Click on plugin, and then you want to activate the plugin for PayPal, right? It's gonna take you to the settings right here, how to connect your plugin. So in this case, we activated PayPal. In this case, we also activated the plugin for Stripe. So let's activate it also, right? So now we have these two plugins activated, right? Now if we go back to our WooCommerce and we go to settings, right? We go to payments. You'll see that you have tons of payment for different countries that you could enable now, right? So let's say I want to enable PayPal and offer PayPal, Pay Later, Venmo, and credit card. Just click there, finish setup, and that's how simple it is, guys. All you gotta do is just add your PayPal email, how it's gonna look if you want to enable Venmo, if you want to enable card, Apple Pay, and all that kind of stuff, right? And once you add everything here, it's gonna ask you to activate it. So which you're gonna click here where it says AP settings and click connect, and that will automatically connect to your PayPal. You just gotta log in, and it will automatically pull your credentials to your website. Very simple to do, super easy. Now if we go with Stripe, in this case, right, we want to enable Stripe. You click manage over here. Same process. You go to API settings and you click connect to Stripe, and that's how you will connect to Stripe, and you'll be able to receive payments on Stripe and all that kind of stuff. Very cool to do. Let's manage some other stuff here. So if we go to WooCommerce again, right, you click, let's go back over here. If you click where it says homepage, it will guide you through some quick settings that you could click or set up my store. I'm just starting my business. You could click continue, and then you could go through all the process. You don't need to install none of this stuff. Please do not install none of this stuff. This is just bloatware to your site. No need to do this. Just plugins that they want you to install. Just click skip this step, and it will start doing everything for you. Just wait a couple of minutes, and then you go. You could choose this. You could always skip this. No need hide setup list. You could hide this, and then if you want to read through this, not necessarily needed. So if you go to orders here, right, here's where you're gonna receive your orders, right? If you receive a new order, you're gonna receive them over here. Your customer is going to be over here on this side. Here you're going to see all your orders and stuff like that. Your reports, everything, your payments, customers out of stock and stuff like that. Coupon, I know they moved it. So here's the coupon area. So we could remove now. You see the coupon area is going to be over here where it says marketing. You click coupon, you could add a new coupon, and then name it, if it's a fixed art, percentage, and all that stuff, user restriction, user limit, and then you could create it and share your coupon with any person. To add a product, it's very simple. Just click products here. You see all the product from the store, prices, stock, SKU, tags, and stuff like that. If we want to add a new product, you could click where it says all product, add a new product, right? You could name it, description, right? If it's a simple product, if it's a virtual product, if it's a downloadable product. Price, the sale price, inventory, shipping, link product if you want to link for upsells, attributes, advanced, like if you want to leave a purchase note when they order it. This is Stripe settings if you want to enable this type of payment for this, and if you want to enable pay later, pay later or credit card for this type of item. You could also set external product, viral product. So if you want to create an affiliate site where you want to promote your product, you could just put the link there, and then you put the price and everything, and then just put the link, and someone buys, you get a referral. On this right side right here, you could put the product images. So the product image will be this one display on front, right? And then you add the product gallery. So it's gonna be the product gallery is gonna be the one showing if it has multiple images on the side. And then category, you could add a new category or just choose the ones that are there. And then product tag, you could add any product tag to your item. And once you're done with all that kind of stuff, just click publish, and then your product will automatically be showing on the home page and be showing in the product area. So that's how you add a product to your sites. Here you could check categories, you could check the reviews from the clients that they leave to your sites, and all that type of stuff. So pretty cool, easy to set up an online store. You know, there's not rocket science to this. You don't need to pay tons of money for it. If you don't know, just make sure to start watching my first video, which show you how to create your first droplet and install WordPress on it. And then my second video will show you how to manage your panel and how to use your panel. And then this video will show you how to create your online store. So the good thing about Elementor, that here, for example, I'm on the front page, right? And I want to edit this page. I want to modify this context right here. So all you gotta do here, it says click edit with Elementor, click on it, and it will automatically take you to Elementor. It's gonna tell you that your site doesn't have a default kit. Let's click recreate a kit. Click where it says recreate a kit, and then save changes. Now let's go back over here and let's click refresh. And there you go. Now you could edit your site however you want. So you could edit any part of your site, very simple, very nice. You could drag and drop. So let's say you want to put this one down here. You could put this down here. Let's say you want to move this up over here. You could move it up. Let's say you want to put this on this side. You could put it on this side. You want to move this side and all that kind of cool stuff. So let's say you want to edit this text and you want to put my new shop. And then you want to edit, or let's say you want to do a lot. So you want to put this one over here. Let's say you want to put this over here, and then you want to move this one over here, stuff like that. So a lot of cool things you could do with Elementor. It's just matter of taking your patience, knowing how to do all that stuff. Not rocket science. So let's say over here you want to show more stuff, right? So if you click over here, this product description right here, you can add more products. So for example, you click this little pencil right here, you want to add, let's say you want to add 6 products, right? And you can see it automatically adds 6 products to it. Let's say you want to add 8. There you go, it added 8 products. So that's how simple you edit your website. You could do this to any page. So if you're in the about page, just click edit with Elementor and it will automatically take you to edit the page. Once you're done with your editing and you're comfortable with the way your site looks, just click update and your new site will look the way you set it up. So if we go back to our site, right, and then you can see I added my new shop, I moved things around, I moved all this messed up right here, right, and then I added 8 products down here. So that's how you edit your site, guys. Very simple to do, and that's it. That's how actually you do your online store. Hope you like this video, guys. If you have any questions, make sure to comment in the section below. You can also check my buy me a coffee, help support my channel. Make sure to subscribe. I'm here to help you guys. I do this to be honest, for a hobby. This is not rocket science. I'm trying to help you guys the best I can on saving money. And that's all I have, guys. Have a great day and take care. Thank you.